Alan. Marcus. Merry Christmas had been. Workaholic, I suppose. Haven't seen you in a while. Hey, Hamilton, we're going to Nell's. Limo's out front. We should have dinner. Hey, Paul! Ah!
I mean, to think that one of his friends killed him for no reason whatsoever would be too ridiculous. Isn't that right, Patrick?
I killed Paul Allen with an apple in the face.
I killed Paul Allen, and I liked it.
That's simply not possible.
Why isn't it possible?
It's just not.
Why not, you stupid bastard?
Because I had dinner with Paul Allen twice in London.
No, you didn't.
Now, if you'll excuse